Ashu!
Okay. Welcome to Rainbow Toys Review. Hi. Hello, I'm Ashu. I'm hungry. I can get something to eat. Bell pepper. Broccoli. Carrot. Red, yellow, purple, orange, green. Now I can eat.
Ashu!
One.
Oh, you cut the vegetables for me? Thank you!
It's okay. Oh, it's empty. Oh, I need to get some fruits. Apple. Banana. I love bananas. Pumpkin. Strawberry.
Ashu! You cut the fruits as well for me? That's so nice of you, Ashu. Thank you!
Oh, I'm hungry.
Ashu!
Again?
Ashu, I got some juice for you and there is a sandwich for you.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
Yummy. Bye, Mommy. Thank you.
Welcome, Ashu.
Bye-bye.